Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road?
That's right. Tourists come from all over the world to walk its golden trail. Old Shelley O'Malley helped build it. Shelley?
Oh, I'm on a schedule and don't care, so...
It represents the blood of our kin, the blood of our kin, the blood of our kin. They ignored the OSHA rules, the local codes, the safety guides. Generations gone, worked to death, children died.
I lost my hands.
We've got much more information in our gift shop if you'll just to the... Oh, she's gone.
La 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 la, garbage.